Alright, this is our update number 2 for the motorized bike board track racer replica. Still got to get the gas tank finished, but other than that, I've almost got it ready. Little details here and there. It's coming out pretty cool to me. I didn't like how the exhaust went, so I just ran a car exhaust pipe over the original muffler and brought it down. Don't mind the kickstand, it's just sitting there holding the bike up. Alright, that'll do it. Update number 3, should have the gas tank right in here and the motor running. Later, guys.